And welcome everybody. NKLA stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. We are using here 1 day update. Here we change this to 4 hours update. So that goes to be about the price that we want from this level to this level. Okay. So that means if we checked out that the price that was going to decrease from here to here is going to be possible, and the intersection started from here, and this made the new wave separated from the previous wave. Also, that leads this wave to make this form of the in-between again and again. However, it's still in the value between this level and this level, and then increases in momentum. Good luck, another episode in the Nikola stock.